Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. My file is in style text. Go down to title text number 3, drag and drop like this, and connect to the media out. Press 2 on the keyboard and you can see the glow text. Now when I ungroup and take this a little bit out, arrange tools to the grid, line up all tools to the grid, and you can see I have two texts. One for the background text. This text will be black. I use the color value of 14 for the gray. Here second one is for the glow, and you can see here with the two rectangles going from the left to the right and from the top to the bottom. Animation is done all the way from 0 to 60 frame, and from 60 to 120 you see the blinking glow. Blinking glow is done here in this text from frame 60 to 120. This glow, as you can see, is done with the blur, with the glow, second glow, and third glow here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.